Okay, y'all, I'm back with another unboxing video. UNICE Hair Company sent me some bundles. They sent me some bundles, and the kind that I got this time is some curly Brazilian deep wave hair. The inches that I got were 18, 16, and 14. And then I got a 12-inch 3-part closure. First we're gonna start with the closure. This is what it looks like. See how it has 1, 2, 3, 4. The closure feels soft. Like, this hair really feels soft, y'all. Like, I'm not even joking, this hair feels really soft. And I'm gonna dye this hair. Like, I'm gonna dye the ends blonde. So if you want to see that, make sure you come back for the install video. And this is virgin hair. It's unprocessed virgin hair. See? Y'all, let me tell y'all, this hair feels so soft, and I'm not even joking. Like, this is probably the softest hair I ever got. Like, other hair don't be feeling this soft. I'm not even lying. Like, I'm really not lying. This hair is soft. Hella soft. Which bundle is this? I think this is the 18-inch bundle. It's the 18-inch. I usually get like 20-inch, but they sent me 18, so this is cool though. That's 18. This is the 16-inch. Yeah, and I'm really gonna dye this hair. I'm not even joking. It's gonna be so cute if the dye turn out right. I was gonna get some bleach, but I didn't. I probably should have. This is the 16-inch. See how soft it look, y'all? Look, hold up. Look how soft that look. It's so soft. And it's pretty. Let me show y'all the webs. Look how neat these is. This is neat. These are so neat. Let me show y'all the ends. The ends don't feel dry either. This is the 14-inch bundle. Bro, this hair is so soft. I ain't even lying, bro. In some videos I'll be gassing it, but nah, this hair really soft. For real, this hair is so soft. Shout out to UNICE Hair for sending me these, bro. This hair is so pretty. And the bundles, they don't feel thin either. This is all the hair and the closure. And ain't no shedding. No shedding. Oh my god. Alright, let me show y'all a close up of the hair. Look at how shiny that is and how soft they look, y'all. And the curls bounce back.